Emma Cabo, I am Prince Aderele, and we would like to invite you to our ongoing Yoruba language, Yoruba Orisha dance, and drum class series. This initiative is being hosted by Community Builders, Holistic Development Corporation, an initiative of our Osun Village, Miami, and African Caribbean Cultural Corridor. This class is very informative. You don't want to miss this class. If you want to know more about your lineage, your roots, you don't want to miss this class. It's of its kind in South Florida. Very unique. And we look forward to see you. To know more about this class, please go on to Osun's Village Miami on Facebook and inbox us, and you get more information about this class. As we say in Yoruba, Adupe, Adupe, Pe Okun. We look forward to seeing you in our class. Thank you. Ire o.